What's up, guys? This is Henry Vizzoni and my bike check. So I got the premium whiskey bar handlebars. You might not be able to hear me over that car. And I have the ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends. I got the Mission stock stem, whatever the hell it is, and the Mission stock headset under here. And I have the Kink stock forks that come with the whip. I also have a white Mission hub that's outlaced to a Alienation black sheep rim, and I have a Duo Stunner 220 tire on the top. Going to the darker part of my frame, or the back part of my frame, I have the new premium Gutter Shark frame. It's the first one that came out since Garrett Reynolds left the team. I got my 609 sticker, always repping 609. The frame is also a 21-inch top tube, and I think it's like a 385 in the back. So I have my Odyssey twisted plastic pedals. These are sweet pedals. They have lots of grip. I have stock Mission cranks. You can probably find them on Dan's Comp, but they're stock and they came with the bike. I have some stock bottom bracket, and then for a back wheel I have a white Mission cassette, or white Mission hub that's also outlaced to another Alienation black sheep rim that also has a Duo Stunner 220 on it. And then going back up to my bike, I have a stock Kink seat, and flipping it around, I have a pair of Animal Butcher pegs with the plastic sleeves on them, and that one, the front one, is kind of jacked up. Also on this side I have a Mission stock crank. I have a 25 tooth Kink sprocket linked up to an 8 tooth cassette, and this chain here is a full length just stock chain. Thanks, guys. That's my bike check.